What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Gonna go over Matic, currently sitting at 44 cents, down 2% on the day. Market cap 4.4 billion. 24 volume 310 million. So let's hop into the chart. Nice 5-wave move off the low, pull back in a wave 2 right into our target zone in between 39 cents and 46 cents. So I'd imagine we'd push up from here. If we break the 78.6, that does become bearish, but we have a nice 5-wave move. Now we pull back into our target zone. So decent place to look for a long, or you can wait for 46 cents to break and then take your entry. If we look at the daily chart, we did get back above the EMAs, but we failed to hold them. However, if we do push back above, you have a small inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder head, right shoulder, and that could push you all the way up to the resistance right in the 70-cent zone, 70 to about 75 cents. And then basically same thing. You have a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. You pull back and then you break that neckline, you see a nice push back to the upside. That's what I'm looking at for Matic, especially if we break out of our target zone. That would be more confirmation. And yeah, definitely breaking above 46 cents once again would give more confirmation of pushing back to the upside. Bearish scenario, which I think is less probable, is coming and breaking 39 cents, and then that increases the probability of putting in a lower low. But that doesn't look as probable as the bullish scenario in my opinion. All right, guys, you can join my trading group absolutely for free. We're absolutely crushing it trading Forex, and I give daily crypto analysis for many projects. Today I just uploaded from my phone, but usually I'm uploading from my laptop. Daily crypto analysis. Click the link down in the comments, and make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.